Okay, in this problem we are finding and simplifying this expression. This is a lead-in to derivatives, which we'll do soon. So we've got f of x is 4x squared plus 7, and we're going to find and simplify f of x minus f of a all over x minus a. Sometimes in problems like this you'll have a number for a, but in this problem we don't. It's just a. So we'll leave it as a. So I'm going to bring this down here. The denominator, I'm just going to copy x minus a. And the numerator, we have f of x minus f of a. F of a means replace this x by a. So let's start with f of x. That's 4x squared plus 7. That's what we're given right there. That's f of x. Then it says minus f of a. So let's do minus the f of a I'll do in pink. So f of a means replace the x by a. So minus 4a squared plus 7. Now to leave the expression like this is actually wrong, and that's the most common error. You're subtracting all of f of a, so you need parentheses here, which will matter because there's a negative out front which we'll need to distribute. So that's what I'm going to do next. I'm going to recopy the denominator and distribute that negative. 4x squared plus 7, I'm going to recopy. Then we'll have minus 4a squared minus 7. So these 7's here cancel. All right, now what we're looking for is a way to cancel this x minus a in the denominator with something in the numerator. And the way it's written, nothing cancels. The trick is to factor. So in the numerator, first off, we could take a 4 out. Do that first, from the x squared and the a squared, and that would leave us with x squared minus a squared. Still all over x minus a. All I've done is factor 4 out. Now this gets into factoring. X squared minus a squared is actually it's called the difference of two squares. It's a square minus another square. Difference of squares. The difference of squares factors like this. I'm going to use a and b. Let's go with orange here. Difference of squares. If you have a squared, capital A squared minus capital B squared, any two squares being subtracted, it will always factor into a plus b times a minus b. Now you can check by foiling this. You have a times a for the first term, so that's a squared. Your outside term is negative ab, and your inside term is positive ab, which cancel. So there's no middle terms. And then the last two terms when you FOIL is positive b times negative b gives you negative b squared. So we're going to use that to factor this the numerator right here. So we'll leave that 4 out front, and this factors into x plus a times x minus a. Now that everything is fully factored, then we can cancel the x minus a. So you can only cancel like this if both the numerator and denominator are completely factored. So in this problem, you can leave the 4 out or you can redistribute it. It shouldn't matter. 4x plus 4a or 4 times x plus a. Either way is the fully simplified expression. And every time you find one of these, you should be able to cancel something with the numerator, something in the numerator with the denominator.